Hello children, we are going to learn class 8th math chapter 4 practical geometry. Before going to start, I want to discuss two things with you. First point, we want to construct angles such as 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree and 150 degree. We need ruler and compass. So with help of compass and ruler we can draw such angles. And second point, we need protractor, right? We need protractor to construct angles like 25 degree, 35 degree, 50 degree and 65 degree. Suppose we have draw angles of 25 or 35 or 50 or 65. At that time we need protractor. We can't use ruler and compass to construct such angles. Let's start exercise 4.1. Question first. Construct the following quadrilateral. Question first. Quadrilateral ABCD. AB 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm, AC 7 cm. So let's begin. Before going to construct, we draw rough sketch. Rough sketch. AB 4.5. Then B to C 5.5. C to D 4 cm. A to D 6 cm. And AC, which is diagonal. AC which is diagonal is 7 centimeter. Okay children, now let's begin with steps and construction together. So first step, draw line segment AB is 4.5 centimeter. So with help of ruler and pencil, we draw 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Give heading and label. AB label give and measurement also write down 4.5 centimeter. Next point, from rough sketch B to C, we can use BC 5.5 centimeter. So next point, step, with B as a center, take 5.5 centimeter radius. 5.5 centimeter radius and draw an arc. Draw an arc. So with help of ruler and compass. Children, one more thing, whenever we are using compass, this both edges will be same and pencil point should be sharp. Now open compass, take 5.5 centimeter radius or measurement. Exactly you need to take 5.5 and with help of B as a center, so put our pointer on B point and draw an arc. Then step next, A, B completed, B to C completed. Now we are using AC. because we forming triangle, ABC triangle. So A as a center, take AC measurement is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter radius. Draw an arc which is intersect previous arc at point C. Then join. Okay, let's do this first. Take 7 centimeter radius with help of compass. Exact measurement with A as a center and draw arc which is intersect previous arc. This arc is intersecting at this point which is intersect previous arc, and this intersecting point we describe as a C. Describe as a C. Now next point, join. Now join A with C, A with B, AC and BC, and we get triangle ABC. Right children? So according to this step, we just join BC, and you can also measure that B to C measurement is 5.5 centimeter. Use over here 5.5 centimeter also you can measure. You can also see, watch. And A to C. Now join AC. When you draw line, you can check measurement also. It should be 7 only. 7 centimeter. Right children? Now next point. From rough figure, 6 centimeter and DC 4. These two line segment we have remaining. So again with help of A. Next point 5. With A as a center, take, we are using AD, so 6 centimeter measurement, 6 centimeter radius, draw an arc. Again we use compass and ruler and take 6 centimeter measurement. Right children? You can use this like this way, 6 centimeter. Put your pointer on A point and draw an arc. Next point, A to D, we draw the arc. Now C with D, right? C to D. So take from rough figure 4 centimeter, C to D 4 centimeter. Take 4 centimeter radius with C as a center. Draw an arc which is intersect previous arc at point D. According to this step, need to take measurement with help of ruler and compass. Take 4 centimeter radius. With C as a center, we are draw the arc which is already intersect at previous arc. It is previous arc and this arc is intersecting, and this intersecting point describe as a D. Describe as a point D. Now next point is join DC and AD. With help of ruler, point to point we have to match C and D intersecting point, and completely it should be 4 centimeter, and A with D it will be 6 centimeter. You can see 6 centimeter. And we have completed our quadrilateral A, B, C, D, 4.5, 5.5, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and diagonal AC 7 centimeter. So at last we should write down we get required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay children, I hope that you understand. Thank you.